how to use two accounts on TikTok. So if you want to use two accounts on TikTok, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the TikTok application, and this is the kind of interface you will see. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Now here you can see I'm currently logged into one of my accounts. So if I want to add another account, I need to simply tap on the profile icon from the very top, or my profile name, sorry, and here you'll find an option that says add account. So all you have to do here is just simply tap on the add account button. Then you can simply select log into another account, and you can simply log into your next account, and after that you'll be able to easily use two accounts on TikTok. This way you'll be able to use two accounts on TikTok. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.